Do you want to have a peaceful night? Looking for a mouthpiece to stop snoring? Looking for good night's sleep you have been waiting for? Then, you need to check these success stories. Good Morning Snore Solution by EmpowerRx prevents me from grinding my teeth at night. I have several expensive, custom-made mouth guards for this purpose, and EmpowerRx is the only device that I use consistently. Unlike the others, it is soft and does not have an unpleasant medical taste. I truly believe that EmpowerRx offers an effective and preferable alternative to other mouth guard-style anti-grinding devices. Terran. Dr. Dort's anti-snore invention is a work of genius. I have ordered a second unit to keep on the shelf in case I lose the one I have now. I make an audio recording of myself each night, and I can tell you that as long as the appliance is in use, I do not snore, and my episodes of sleep apnea are eliminated. What an improvement over CPAP! All in all, this is an ingenious solution for anyone with chronic sleep apnea. This remarkable product should be given more publicity. Thank you. Thomas. I really snored a lot, according to my family. I tried an elastic jaw positioning thing, that didn't work at all. I tried those sprays and they didn't work at all. I tried the adhesive nose strips, but the problem is in my throat, not my nose. My dentist advised against a mouthguard for jaw position, because of the possible adverse bite effects and general discomfort. Your very simple product worked perfectly from the first night. Thanks for inventing this. Joe van Valkenburg. So, what are you waiting for? Click link in the description for more information on Good Morning Snore Solution.